Hello YouTuber, welcome to my channel Drone for Beginners. Here I'm going to do a little unboxing and flight test of the Ichin E011, one of the best mini drones there in the market in this moment for beginners. This little drone, as you can see in the box, it comes with a little Lego. So let's see what's in the box very quickly. Let's take everything out, and the first thing that comes out is the mini Lego. It's like all turned apart, so you must put everything together. So let's put this around, and it comes with a USB charger. It comes with 4 propellers and a little screwdriver. Let's see what comes in the box. Here you can see the little drone. This little drone has in the top a little pad where you can put more Lego figures and fly with them. And we're gonna test it with the Lego and see how fast it is. It has a remote control. This little remote control is very easy to handle. It does not have altitude hold. As you can see, the left stick is not spring, so it doesn't have altitude hold, and it's very easy to handle. All you have to do is change speed with this button, and I think with this button you can do other things. So let's see the manual. Let's see fast the manual, what we have and what we must know. The most important thing you must know about this remote control is how to change speed. With this button that I'm here pressing, you're gonna change speed. This little button is for fine tuning, and this other little button is for fine tuning. If you press this stick, the right stick, you're gonna do 360 spins, and that's the most important things you must know. So I'm gonna take out the little Lego drone, put it on the drone, and have a flight test. Let's see how well does it fly. Okay, now I'm ready to fly. As you can see, I put the little Lego, but it's not has his arms, and it doesn't has his hat. I'm gonna fly this way in case of maybe I go down to the floor. I don't want to lose its parts. When I put the battery on and connect the remote control, it automatically did beep. As you can see, I'm ready to fly. So I'm not sure. I think this is the front. Usually the back is where you connect the battery. So let's fly and see how it goes. The day is a little of wind, so let's take off. Maybe I think it needs a little bit of trimming, but I maybe don't know so well if I have to trim it, because the wind maybe will play or make it go to one way or the other. Let's see how many speeds does it has. 1, 2, it had 2 speeds. So let's fly. It only has 2 speeds. So let's start flying it and see how fast it is. Here it comes at full speed. I'm not gonna fly very far, because usually these little drones are like 15 or 20 meters of distance. Here it comes with a Lego on top of him. What I love about this mini drone, it's an easy flyer, an easy indoor flyer, an easy outdoor flyer, as you can see. And because you can put a little Lego on top of it, it means that you can easily put an FPV camera if you want to make like a little tiny whoop. I think this is one of the best mini drones that you can convert to a tiny whoop. Here it goes. It's very fast. It's a very fast flyer, as you can see, and very easy to fly if there's no wind. At this moment there's no wind. Ooh, I lost it. Oh, here it comes. It has a fast yaw, so you must learn to turn with not doing too much yaw, or you're gonna turn and lose it. Here it comes, and it's doing a very good flight time. This little tiny whoop drones usually have like max 3 minutes. Don't think you're gonna take 5 or 10 or 20 minutes from one of these little drones. It's like impossible. Why? Because they have a little battery. Wow, he almost got me. Here he comes at fast speed. He's a very fast little monster. Here it comes. Wow, it has a good pitch, and it's very fast. If I fly more fast, because I'm gonna have less flight time, you must have that in mind too. But it's very good. I'm not gonna fly too far because I think its range is like 15 or 20 meters. So, and if I fly too high, maybe you're not gonna see it very well. Here it comes with a lot of pitch. It has like 25, an angle of pitch of 25 degrees maybe. It'll be very fun to find a little drone like this at which we could put beta flight on it and fly it like an FPV racer. But this little guy, it's a very good flyer. That's why in the title I put that this is the best mini drone in the market in this moment. I think there is not any other drone that can be better than this one. As you can see, it's very fast, and it has a load on top. It has a little Lego on top. So if you fly it without anything on top, but you're gonna have more flight time, and the flight time is very high. Here it comes at very fast speed. Wow. Okay, I think its battery is in this moment going low, so I'm gonna fly here. Fly it here very close to me. When you get experience flying these drones, you're gonna know when the battery is low. Wow! It crashed. Oh no, it didn't crash. I think I crashed, but here it comes. It's still flying. Okay, now battery is very low. I'm gonna bring it here. You should not fly to the maximum battery time flight because you're gonna kill the battery. Here it comes. Let's try to land it. Hey, go land to the landing spot. Here it goes, and it's not easy to take it there. Okay, wow, I'm a master. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. And you can see in the flag in the back, it's a little windy, so this little drone flies very well. I hope you like the flight. Don't forget to comment how do you think I fly these little drones. Comment what you think about this little drone, and in the description you're gonna find all the links where you can buy it. So don't forget to give me like, share my videos, and see you in the next video. Thank you.